today's video, I will be reviewing Wine Insiders. They sent me a few bottles and I want to go over what they sent to me. I want to taste it for you guys, do an actual review, and let you guys know more about their Insider Club. So stay tuned. Let's do it. Wine Insiders is a website that delivers wine straight to you. No middlemen included, and it's really awesome because a lot of the collections are curated from different wine tasters and you get to experience so many different kinds of wine. Wine could be really tricky. Either it could be really expensive but really good, or really cheap and just gross. So they do a really good job curating different types of wine, and they also make it easier. I don't know about you, but if you go to your grocery store and you're like, oh, I want to try a bottle of wine, and you have no idea where to start, they help you out so much. Wine Insiders makes it so easy to learn about wine and discover new brands. They have celebrity packages, gift sets. They have so many things available. They do offer free shipping on their items as long as you buy, I want to say 6 bottles in order, and it does come fairly quickly. I got this box within 2 days, and I live in California, so it was like super fast. So let's hop right in. There were so many choices when I went onto that website. I narrowed it down to a selection of the top wines from 2020. I know, right? So it's called this year's Top Sips Half Case. They gave me 6 bottles of wine to try out for you guys, so let's do it. I've already kind of opened this, and they do have really protected shipping. It's not like your bottles will come broken, and even if you do receive broken bottles or you have any issues with your order, you can always contact customer care and they will take care of you. Okay, the first bottle of wine I will drink is this guy's the Rosé. It is an Italian red wine blend. This one actually has about 12% alcohol. Oh crap. Here we go. Let's open it. Oh. Somebody needs to buy me a new wine opener. Seriously. There we go. Some action here. It should never be that hard. Okay, the struggle was real, but I got it open. When we were just at the winery here in house, they told us, open it up, just get a little air in there, and you want to smell it off to the side. That smells good. Smells good. Okay, let's try. Cheers. It's good. You know what? It's not too harsh. I thought it was going to be harsh because of the color. My glasses are tinted a little bit. These are beautiful glasses my aunt bought me for my birthday. Shout out to you, Auntie Bag. You always took me up. This wine is actually really smooth. It gives me like a strawberry raspberry taste. And it has like a little peppery taste to it. It's really good. This wine would pair really, really good with some Italian food. I would chill it just a little bit and just enjoy a nice dinner with this wine. And before we move on to our next wine, I really do want to ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel and to like, comment, and also subscribe. I don't know the order, but please help me out. Subscribe to my channel, please. It helps me make videos like this for you guys, and I really do like it. I also want to mention, if you're a toddler when it comes to opening wines like me, Exhibit A. Invest in wine stoppers. They're super affordable. I have a link in the description that will show you guys my wine tasting essentials, and this is one of them. If you end up breaking your cork and you can't stick it back into your bottle, these little guys are cool to get. Shout out to my cousin Danica. She bought me a couple and I never thought I'd use them, and look at me now. So all you would do is just take this little guy and you pop it right into the bottle like so. Keeps your bottle nice and closed. And for those of you who don't know, to reclose your wine, you want to use the other side of your cork. I learned this like last year. All right, on to the next wine. Here we have Free Flight. It's a 2018 red wine blend from California. How nice. This was bottled by Saddlehorn Cellars right here in Napa, California. 14.5% alcohol by volume. These glasses from Target and I love them because they're huge. Like, they make me feel like I'm just gonna enjoy a big glass of red wine. I love it. Let's try. Pretty color. All right, let's give it a swirl. Different. Wow. I definitely taste some like warm plum and like something like boysenberry. This tastes really good. Looking at the website, they say that they use Cabernet Sauvignon grapes to make this. So you can really taste the quality in this wine. Pair this with like a steak or like a really good pasta. It's a full-bodied wine. Look at me sound like a sommelier. I'm not a professional. I just know I'm learning wines and I actually like wine, and it's fun. In this box, I mean, it gives me the opportunity to try 6 different bottles. Come on now. Okay, this is our 3rd bottle. This is the Finca Los Olmos. Give me speaking Spanish. Dude, this wine is from Mendoza, Argentina. So this is an Argentinian wine. This is a Malbec 2019. And this guy is 13.5% alcohol by volume. Let's try it. Hey, I did it. I did it. Let's see. I never can do this, especially when we go wine tasting. I'm always like trying to do it on the table. It's horrible, but I'm trying to get the swing of it for you guys. This is actually my first time trying a Malbec. I don't know. Let me know how to pronounce it in the comments down below. I butchered the name. And it smells a little sweet. Like, I don't know what that is. Let me try it. It's sweet. It's vanilla. I knew it. I'm like, what is that? So it's hints of vanilla and definitely some like berries, like maybe like strawberries or something like that. It's really, really good. And it's dry. I like dry wines. I'm not like a sweet wine drinker. It's not sweet at all. It's a hint of sweet. I'll make sure I link below all the information about all these wines and the exact package I ordered. I want to let you guys know to pair this wine with some meat, like a seared ribeye or like braised beef and stuff like that. These flavor recommendations are coming straight from Wine Insiders. As you can tell, I haven't tried this with any food yet, but I do want to let you guys know what they recommend to pair this wine with. Also bring up the fact that this will taste good with a heartier meal as well. Something like a mushroom risotto, and I actually like it a lot. This reminds me of like a really good Cabernet or like a really good Zinfandel. I like those wines as dinner wines, so I definitely agree with them with pairing it with something that's gonna fill that belly. Okay, our 4th wine is Pinot. So I recently started drinking wine. I want to say maybe within the last 3 years, really getting into it. We were gifted this beautiful wine fridge from our aunt. Thank you, auntie. Really our cousin, but, and I'm so thankful because now when we go to wineries and do wine tours and we do things like this, we have somewhere to store our wine, especially the stuff that needs to be cold. So I did not chill this, but I know it's still gonna be yummy. This is a Pinot Grigio from Du Marie. I don't know what it says up here. This is an Italian wine. And it looks like this stuff is in Italian. It's 12% alcohol by volume. Let's try it. Hey. Get some air in it. Let's see. Oh, I know I'm like this. I know I'm like I like Pinot. I like white wines, don't get me wrong. But Pinot Grigio is something about it. I call it like my party wine. I drink this instead of drinking hard alcohol when we go out or if we're at a friend's house because it just kind of keeps you like, you know, it keeps you in the zone without being too heavy feeling, you know. This is good. Okay, right off the bat, dude, pineapple. It's like a tropical feeling. Oh, it's so good. Try it. Yeah, that's a good one. I definitely get the citrus, grapefruit, pineapple flavor. It's a fresh, happy, like summery, beautiful day wine. I highly recommend this one. This is like, I don't want to speak too soon, but this is like one of my favorites out of all of them. Yeah, I said it. So this guy here pairs well with summer dishes like grilled chicken and colorful salads and, you know, grilled vegetable kebabs, stuff like that. Like this would be perfect with that. We went to San Francisco and I was like, I want to open this wine. I was so excited. Like I could not wait to do an actual unboxing video. So we did try the Chardonnay in San Francisco. And by the way, that Chardonnay stood no chance. We freaking devoured that bottle. I know, but I do have the stats on it. I will let you guys know that as well. Just want to taste it. It smells really good. And last but not least, we do have the House Party. This wine is from Lodi, California, not too far from us. I did it! 12% alcohol by volume, and it's a rosé. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I was not on the rosé bandwagon. I did not, I don't know what it was. I did not like rosé, the Moet, the Chandon. Like, I was not a fan just because like I had a preference. Like, I like dry wine. But when I went on the website and I kind of was going through the wines, this one said it's a red blend. So it might have some other notes. We'll see. And I did get these glasses from Amazon. I will link them down below. These are my fancy like champagne glasses, my flutes. This one. Let's see. It's that pretty rosé color. Oh, I love it. It looks so cute with my nails too. Okay, let's see. Oh, it smells pink. Oh my goodness. That's good. Even though it's not cold, I put this in this fridge as soon as I'm done. But it is a refreshing taste. Like, it's actually pretty good. Not too sweet. It's not bubbly at all. It's like more like a still wine. It's not on the champagne side, which I think I like, and that's probably why I didn't like rosés too much, because they were so bubbly and so sweet, like that tangy right up your nose, like it just hits you way too fast. Maybe that was why I didn't like it. This one, you definitely get that cherry taste. That's what the kicker is. I think according to Wine Insiders, you should definitely pair this with salmon, chicken, barbecued veggies once again, and anything grilled. This is a happy wine. This is like, okay, this is runner up. So after trying all the wines, they were really, really good. I actually like the selection. They gave me pretty much 3 whites and 3 reds. If you wanted to check out more information on Wine Insiders in their Insider Club, please check them out. Let me explain to you really quick what you get in their deal. You get, I'm not even kidding, you get 15 bottles. 15 bottles, guys, of wine for $89, free shipping, satisfaction guaranteed, all that fun stuff. You can choose between all reds, all whites, or you can have it mixed, kind of just like what I did. This Insiders Club, it's no obligation. You can cancel whenever you want. You're not obligated to keep it. You do need to call them though. That's the only downside of it, to call, or if you want to skip a shipment. What's nice about this, the introductory rate gives you 15 bottles. After that, you get 12 bottles. Shipment every 12 weeks. So 6 times out the year, you'll receive 12 bottles. Second shipment, you get a free corkscrew set. It looks like this guy here. I freaking need that. Clearly you guys see me struggling with my wine opener, and it's something I need to put on my wish list to get a nice wine opener. And with this subscription, you get one for free. After the first introductory rate price, I want to say the bottles are about $150 a shipment, but it's totally worth it. You guys get to try curated wines from people who actually know what they're doing. There's no guesswork. It's all done for you. I don't know about you, but a lot of people don't have someone that's 21 and older at home. They offer pickup locations at almost 10,000 different retailers. Don't forget to check out my Napa Valley video. I have 2 now on my channel. I'm definitely taking you guys wine tasting with us and showing you some cool spots in Napa to check out. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me that thumbs up to make sure YouTube knows that my video content is valuable. I mean, dang, it should be, right? I hope you guys have fun with me. This was a blast. I'm so happy I was able to try all these wines, and I highly recommend Wine Insiders. And thank you to Wine Insiders for sponsoring today's video. I really appreciate them. I highly recommend those guys. Please check them out. I will not recommend something I will not use to you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate it. All right, family, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.